guys, welcome back to my channel Poornima Luv Infinity. So in today's video I'm going to share with you guys my Euphorbia box for the month of October 2018. So this is how this month's bag looks like. It's actually a pouch which you can use for storing makeup, and if you want you can also use it as a money purse. So it comes in this white color with colorful floral print, and it has a zipper right here. If you guys want to know more details about Euphorbia box, you can log on to their website. The link will be there in the description box down below. Also, I will try to include some more details about getting your own Euphorbia box. Let me quickly take you through all the products that we've received in this month's Euphorbia box. We have 3 cards here. The very first card is the thank you card. It says, "Thanks for being a significant part of Euphorbia box family." The second card is from the brand and Good Soap. This is the info card about one of the products that is included in this month's edition. Then the third card says #1 anniversary edition. This is basically the info card which has all the products details mentioned here with the prices. So now let me show you all the products. The very first product that we have is from the brand 7C's Love Liquid Lipstick. This is how the packaging looks. It comes in a clear packaging like this with a golden cap. And the shade number I have here is 106, which I believe is the same shade that each one of us would be getting. There is no shade choice as such. Let me show you the swatch of this. So this is how the color looks. It's a bright fuchsia color which looks absolutely stunning. I've already tried using this liquid lipstick and I absolutely love it. The best thing about this liquid lipstick is it is non-sticky. Like, I've actually applied it on top of another liquid lipstick, so you cannot see the actual shade color here. The actual shade looks something like this. But then I know that it is non-sticky, it is super easy to apply and it dries off very quickly. Even when it wears off very smoothly. You don't have to worry about eating or drinking anything after using this liquid lipstick. So that's the best part about it. The price for this is 299 rupees. Moving on to the second product, we have the Good Soap 30 Days Growth Booster Eyelash Serum. This can be used both for eyelashes as well as eyebrows. It is sealed from here. It has a tape here. I'm not going to open this until I start using it because I don't want the oil to spill everywhere. So let me read out the info card that we have from this brand called Good Soap. It says 30 Days Growth Booster Eyelash Serum. Good Soap Eyelash Growth Serum will help you grow longer, thicker and more fuller eyelashes and eyebrows. Natural ingredients will nourish and soften them. They will appear defined and beautiful, giving you a big-eyed look that is inspiring and hard to turn away from. Made with only the highest quality ingredients. Easy to apply. Use the mascara wand applicator and simply place a little amount along the base of your upper and lower lash line once a day at night time. Apply only at the root area of eyelashes and as though applying mascara and onto clean eyebrows. This is all natural so it is safe for everyday use and can be used under makeup. Now we have the third product here, which is again from the brand 7C's. This is the Magnifying Eyeshadow Contouring Palette. Okay, so it can be used as an eyeshadow palette as well as a contouring palette. So That's really good. This is how the shades look. It has 6 beautiful shimmery as well as matte shades. No, actually it has all shimmery shades except this one, which is like a peachish pink color. This one is matte. It comes with an applicator like this, and the price for this eyeshadow palette is 500 rupees. I've received the shade 102 and the price is 500 rupees as it's mentioned here. The manufacturing date is September 2018 and it can be used for 36 months from the manufacturing date. So those were the 3 makeup and skincare products in this month's Euphorbia box. The 4th product is from the jewelry section, which is this beautiful peacock shaped nose ring, the price for which is 250 rupees. So this is a complimentary product from Euphorbia box, which is a pack of sanitary napkin. It has a sanitary napkin right here, and in this pouch we have 2 cards here which says Euphorbia celebrating 1 year's anniversary with organic pads as natural as you. Okay, so these are organic pads. Second card says good hygiene leads great beauty. Let's make feminine more beautiful. A product by Sahaj Enterprises. You can also book these sanitary napkins. By calling on this particular number which is mentioned here if you want to order in bulk, or you can log on to their website which is enterprisessahaj24@gmail.com. So guys, those were all the products that I received in this month's Euphorbia box. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also do like and share this video with your friends and family members. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care.